Let's learn operators in Python. Oh, what is an operator? Okay, so before we get into details about operators, what is an operator? What is statement? What is expression? Let's see how operators are broadly categorized into. There are many operators in Python. The operators are categorized into arithmetic operators, logical operators, identity operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, membership operators, assignment operators, and finally compound operators, compound assignment operators, and there are miscellaneous operators also, other operators also. So, uh, what do you, what why do you need all these operators? Uh, because you need all these operators to pay, to you need an operator to create an expression. You need expression. So you expression, the mathematics, in mathematics, a plus b equal to c, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, that is an expression. Okay, so or the equation it is called. Okay, so those things, if you want to perform any any operation, if you want to calculate something, you need you would write, yeah, you would create expression combining operands and operators. So operator is a symbol, it acts on a operands. Okay, so these are broadly categorized operators. Can you see, for suppose plus is a addition, so a plus b, okay, is addition. You are combining, you are adding a and b, right? 2 plus 3, what is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5. What is operator here? Operator is a plus, which is a symbol which acts on two operands. What are operands? 2 and 3. Yeah, a and b are 2 or 2 plus 3. If you are calculating 2 plus 3 there, just let me get into Python. Yeah, 2 plus 3. The 2 is operand, 3 is operand. Operand is a literal or variable on which, okay, operator, okay, operator is used. So these two are operands and the plus is operator. Okay, there are different types of operators: binary operator, unary operator, ternary operator. So, okay, so what is binary? Because if operator acts, okay, on operator, uh, so here plus is binary operator because it acts on two operands. Okay, so what is plus 3? Plus 3 is minus 3 is a unary operator. Okay, it is just a sign. Okay, so that something that acts on a single operand is called a unary operator. So check here. See, we have arithmetic operators. That is something we are aware of already. We use in mathematics already. We have used in our primary school. The plus minus. Since on a keyboard we don't have cross, okay, of course we have cross, that is x, but we use star as a multiplication operator. It is a division. Okay, it is a integer division, okay, float division, and you have a reminder. Okay, it produces the reminder, but this slash, which is division, which gives the quotient. Okay, it is a power. Let me check you, let me show you. A equal to, let's give 12, and b is, okay, 3, or give 3. Okay, a plus b, what, which is arithmetic operator. A minus b, which is difference. A into b, which is multiplication. Okay, a by b, which is a coefficient. Okay, but a percentage b, which is 0. Why? Because remainder is 0 here. If you take 13 by 3, you will get remainder here. You see 1. Okay, after division. Okay, and you have the power. What is this? A is 12. Let's do a power b. okay, which is like a 2 power 3. Yeah, it is 2 cube. So you have these arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations and two operands. The most of these arithmetic operators are binary operators. They are used with the two operands. What is relational operators? Relational operators used to check the relation. What relation is it? Okay, for suppose these relational operators can also be referred as conditional operators. Okay, so relational or conditional operators. These operators are used to check the condition. What are those? We have assignment operators x equal to 9. You are assigning some value to the variable x. So since x is already used, okay, since x is already, sorry, not x, equal to is already used for assignment. Can you see here? So for equal to, we are using double equal to, okay? So it is not equal to. Bang equal to means not equal to. Less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. So we have logical operators and are not, membership operator in, not in, identity is not, assignment. We know this already. You have been using this to assign some value to the variable. And we have bitwise operators. They are used to perform the bitwise operations. And the compound operators are those. These are used for a compound assignment where we combine other operators with the assignment symbol. Okay, so we will see these details in detail one by one. So let's check this. We have seen already the operators, Python operators. So if you take two variables a plus b, where a and b are operands on which operator is used to perform certain operation. Okay, so these operands can be variables or literals, which means that here I use 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3, they are literals. Yeah, 2 and 3 are literals. And a and b are variables, right? So, we know this already. For suppose you take this one, a 12, b 3, a less than a equal to b. So what these relational operators return? To take arithmetic operators, what you got here, 2 plus 3, it returns the result of arithmetic operation. It returns the result of arithmetic operation. But when it comes to relational operators, we get the Boolean value. So a equal to b, we get the false, okay, because they are used to check in a conditional expression. So that is the reason these are called conditional operators. These are the operators we use in a if condition, if else if, right, to check condition. Because these operators, relational operators or conditional operators, do return Boolean value, Boolean literal, either true or false. Okay, so you see a is 12, b is 3, so we got a equal to b, false. If a less than b, which is false, but a greater than b is true. Okay, a not equal to b, which is true, because they are not equal to. So these operators are used for if else statements, if and else if ladder. So conditional statements, these are used to check the condition. So since these we can call it as a expression, okay, a less than b. If this expression evaluates as true, the if condition will be executed if it is used in if. Otherwise control flow goes through takes another path. So what is membership operator? Yeah, the membership operator is used. So let's check logical operator first. Okay, so before we go to, let me show you combining these operators, what you can form. Yeah, we will I like we'll discuss that membership identity in a moment. So let's see what with this we have seen this operator operands, right? Okay. So what you can do with these operators and operands? Give me a moment. Hello. Yeah. With this operator, so we have seen this operands operator. Operands and operators combining together make up a expression. Okay. So for suppose take this one. How do you represent this radius of circle a equal to area equal to pi r square, which is an expression. Okay. So an expression in a Python is formed by combining our variables and operators. Okay. So that can be variables and operators. You can actually call a function. Okay. Uh, with an expression. Okay. And the process, so this process of computing a value, we call it as a evaluation. Okay. So check this one. So how this can be actually written in a Python: area, which is a variable, pi, which is a variable, and as well as which is a operand, right? Star is operator, right? Yeah, R is operand. Mm, double star is a exponent operator. Okay, 2 is a operand, and this whole thing we call it as an expression. Okay, an expression in Python is a combination of one or more variables, operators, and functions that a programming language interprets. Okay, yeah. So and it produces some value. This process of producing or computing that value is called evaluation. And now let's go check this. What variable we have logical operators. What this logical operator is used for? For suppose logical operator is used for, they are used to combine. Have you learned the truth table in a high school? Truth table. Okay. Yeah, so these logical operators are the same, true logic, true or sorry, and or not. Okay. Okay. So not is something, if you put not in front of anything, that will be negated. Okay, it is simple. For suppose a not equal to b, here what happens? True. But if you put not in front of that, it will negate that one. Okay, which is that simple. Okay, so R is something we use to combine. For suppose you want someone to be you want to combine something, logic like this. Okay, where if you want someone to be at so for suppose take this one a, which is 12. Okay, and so for suppose name, take this one Bruce. Okay, so I want to check. Okay, name dot starts with, okay, b, as well as, okay, and the number of characters should be less than 10. What happened here? I'm combining two logics together. these logical operators work like a conjunction. Okay, just like we use in a spoken language English, we use and or for as a conjunction, right? So where to combine two sentences, like to combine two expressions, we use and. So if we use R same way. So what is this? How this thing works? See, this thing works like if true and a true. Okay, if both are true, when you use and, you will get true. If any one of them is false, you will get false. Okay, do you understand? Yeah. But when it comes to R, what happens if both are, if either of them is true, you will get true. Okay, and you will get false only if both are false. So that is what you can use in conditional statements. Okay, to combine multiple conditional expressions. We can use that. The membership operator is used. Membership operator is used for, suppose if I take A equal to, that membership operator can be used on containers. For suppose if I can check, if I want to check for 9 in A, you will get true if that 9 is present in that container. For suppose if 99 in A, what you will get? You will get false. Okay, so where not in is same, which is just negate. Okay, if it doesn't, it is not present, you will get true. Do you understand? Okay, so for suppose if 9 in A is true, if you got not, false. Okay, so what happened to this is operator is used for to check the identity. Okay, for suppose check this one, A equal to 12. Okay, so B equal to 12. You know this identity ID of A, which is same, which is kind of address we have learned, right? Okay, so that thing, you don't have to actually get the address and compare those. You can use what is called is. Okay, so it will not compare the value, it will compare the address. If both are referring to the same value in the memory, you will get true. Okay, so let me tell you, let's do that one thing here. A equal to 12, right? B equal to 12.0. Take this one. Okay, so ID of A, ID of B, both are different. Okay, but if I compare true, right, that is equal to operator because the value is same. But since I intentionally wanted to save it somewhere, that is the reason I use float. With the same value, I would be referring the same value. Do you understand? So if address of A and address of B both are different, right? Okay, so now check A is B, which is false. A is not B, okay, which is true. Okay, so which is less negation. And assignment operator, you know that already we have been using this to assign these values, right? And the bitwise operators, we will learn about that in the next class. Compound. Okay, so and so here we have get Python operators. We have extension article here for each operator. Okay, with some examples. Python.